Before I start this rap, I want to give a shout out to my NFL. I know you didn't like the status or none of that, but I just thought I'll give a shout out to you because you're always there for me when I need you the most. So shout out to you. I'll give a shout out to my homegirl Maddie. You're always there when I need you. You always got my back too. You funny, you chill, everything. Shout out to my sister Candace. You're always there to give me good advice when it's needed, and I really appreciate that from you. Thank you. Shout out to the homegirl Christina. I know there's been drama and all that, but I hope it's all gonna end soon. So shout out to you, and shout out to my Thea Gracie. I love you with all my heart, and I can't wait to see you again. And this one's for y'all, so I hope you like it. I'ma live this one by the day till the sun sets at the end of the day. It's the only way, my only dream is to get paid. But then you came my way, so go ahead and stay. Cause the way you shine always gotta blow my mind. So I'ma take the time to write this rhyme. Hopefully it's not because I'm in my prime, but I'ma make you mine. Together we'll shine brighter than the sun. And we'll sing the song just for the fun. But I ain't done, we only young, so we gon' live this one for the time being. While we watch the sunset in the evening, overheating my headset, so when I gotta switch back to cassettes, I can let the rest of the song flow, and I let go. And I'ma live this one until I rock the show, until I have a rock of gold just to show. Flows of money in my swimming pool, they only dreams, now it's time to go. Yeah, I envision more than the money, life filling up a hungry tummy. When I grab the mic I feel like a dummy. People pouring at my life like it's funny. Damn, how come I can't have a fan like Stan? When I rap in the stand, you in the front row just to hear me flow. Here we go, hope provoke so many souls with his quotes. I can see it now, coast to coast. One day they'll put me on the roast. Never worry about saving toast. Paparazzi scream, strike a pose. That's what I want the most. I can feel it getting close, but I don't think I'll ever make it, I suppose. Now I'll raise a toast. Damn, it's crazy, understand, rap made me. Never was I a crack baby. Stacks of money, do I want it? Maybe. Crazy how hope saved me from doing something crazy. Waiting on heaven to save me, so pass me the holy liquor.